Bună seara! E deja seară. Mă bucur să vă revăd pe câțiva dintre dumneavoastră. Ne cunoaștem de ceva vreme. Se pregătesc. Eu sunt Angela Petrean Vare și pentru cei care nu mă cunosc, am acceptat invitația Ioanei de a face teatru în engleză la Helen Doron. Mai mult facem în română, că ABC-ul nostru e cam greu, dar până la urmă reușim să facem și în engleză. Ceea ce o să vedeți astăzi va fi doar în engleză. O să vedeți că vom începe cu un spectacol impro show. Ne-am jucat destul de mult anul acesta cu ideea improvizația pentru a dobândi spontaneitate, pentru a ne lăsa emoțiile acasă. Nu știm dacă am reușit sau nu, o să vedem astăzi. Pentru a fi logici în vorbire, pentru a fi foarte atenți la parteneri și, bineînțeles, pentru a ne simți bine. Sunt energici acolo, abia așteaptă. Acum își dau indicații unii altora despre tot ce au de făcut astăzi. Sper să ne iasă ce ne-am propus astăzi. O să vă rog să îi încurajați. Au 2 spectacole, unul după celălalt. Eu sunt actriță de atâta vreme, e foarte greu să joci 2 spectacole, unul după celălalt, dar pentru că ei și-au dorit foarte mult să le facă pe ambele, în scurtul nostru timp, o oră pe săptămână e foarte puțin, dar cumva am reușit. Impro show-ul nostru de astăzi o să aibă o prezentatoare, Sofie se numește, care pe parcursul spectacolului va cere sugestii de la dumneavoastră. Să fiți atenți și să fiți îngăduitori și să fiți spontani, ca ea dacă va cere un titlu de poveste sau vă va cere să vă vândă un produs sau la un moment dat vă va cere să urcați alături de ea pe scenă, să faceți asta, să vorbiți cu ea, pentru că fiind prezentatoarea spectacolului va avea nevoie direct de comunicarea cu dumneavoastră. După aceea vom lua 5 minute de pauză, timp în care ei își vor schimba costumul, deși un spectacol de improvizație nu are nevoie de costum, o să vedeți că sunt în tricouri și în blugi, pe căldura asta e adevărat. Și vom începe un alt spectacol care se numește Omul de zăpadă, The Snowman. Este scris de dramaturgul Matei Vișniec. Noi am mai adaptat puțin el ca să ne putem descurca în text. Sperăm să vă placă. Seara asta este despre frumos, seara asta este despre teatru iubitor, despre teatru și copii iubitori de teatru. Și vă mulțumesc încă o dată și anul acesta pentru încrederea în mine, pentru încrederea Ioanei, că mă lasă acolo în spațiul acela superb de la Helen Doron să mă joc cu copiii și să facem teatru. Vă doresc o seară frumoasă și...
The impro show is. Impro show is where we do not have any costumes, text, and no director. So you, as our audience, will help us go through with the show. But before that, throughout the show, I'll ask for suggestions from you. Like, for example, where did you last go on holiday? Where do you want to go on holiday? Or tell me a vowel. Before we start, I want to make some signs clear. When I put my hand up, I want you all to start clapping. When I put my hand at my ear, I want you to cheer and applaud. And when I say impro, you say show. Let's take a test subject. Impro.
Show!
Impro.
Show!
Impro.
Show!
Now I would like to present my colleagues. Julia. Our first game is called The Story. For this game, I want you all to give us ideas for the story. I will need all of my colleagues, therefore they will continue it. Can you tell me an idea for our story?
Party. At the museum. Summer.
Holiday.
So, our
Sunshine.
story will be about summer.
Once upon a time, there was rabbit who was very happy because it was summer.
Every day he only ate carrots. Suddenly he realized that he had no carrots left.
Since then, he doesn't eat no more carrots.
The moral of the story is don't eat all your carrots.
Our next game is called Ben and Ben. I will need two of my colleagues to come here. They'll be in a television program talking about a product. What product do you want them to sell you?
Phone.
Jewelry.
Soap. Ice cream. Carrots.
You'll be talking about a fan.
Hello everyone and welcome to our TV show. My name is Ben, right Ben?
Yes, Ben, and I am Ben, right, Ben?
Yes, Ben. And today we're present you a fan, right Ben?
Yes, Ben, we present you a fan, right, Ben?
Yes, Ben. It can change his color. You just say I want pink fan and you will change pink, right Ben?
Yes, it can also change in rainbow mode, right, Ben?
Yes, Ben. Just call us at 5555-333-1100, right Ben?
Yes, Ben, and if you call right now, it's at offer. The official price is only $10 million. The offer is only $1 million, right, Ben?
Yes, Ben, and it's very cheap because we love you, right Ben?
Yes, Ben, we love you. Thank you.
The next game is called The Translator, where we will have a special person join us from a far, far away country. And we will have our translator and our one and only mime. And now I will need your help choosing for a theme, something for our expert to talk about.
Airplanes.
Science. Football. Stuffed animals.
All right. I guess I'll be talking about airplanes today.
Hello guys, my name is Samsung and I would like to present you airplanes today. My grandfather created airplanes when he was only 3 years old. And when he was 5, he actually presented the airplane idea to a very popular person in the world. And he wanted to sing you all his special song. And that was the song. So this was my idea for today. I hope you all liked the idea of airplanes. Hello, Khan.
Hello,
What are you doing?
I'm good. What are you doing?
I'm fine. So this is your public speaking lesson, and you need to be very brave to do it right.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So first, you need to look at the public.
I can't. Now I can.
And then you need to say something very important to them.
I don't know. Yesterday I was at a swimming pool and it was very fun.
Yesterday I was at the swimming pool and there was fun.
Okay, you need to talk very loud for people to hear you, like this.
Okay.
Okay, so say the same sentence, but louder.
Yesterday I was at the swimming pool and there was fun.
Louder. Louder.
Oh, Leo. Yesterday I was at the swimming pool and there was fun.
Louder.
Yesterday I was at the swimming pool and there was fun.
Okay, now you are ready for speaking in the public.
Okay.
Okay,
Hello.
now say anything you want.
Hello.
Look at the public. First, to be more brave, you need to spin around a bit, like 3 times.
1, 2, 3.
And then you need to put in the knees like this. You need to spin around again in the knees.
Oh.
Now stand up and say something louder.
Hello.
Okay, this was the public speaking lesson. I hope you like it.
I like it.
Okay, goodbye. Goodbye.
Thank you very much. This was our improv show, and I hope you enjoyed it.
This is the last snow.
How so, the last snow?
The last one because soon the sun will rise and the winter will end.
How so, the last snow?
Because look at this, even those are not like before.
Please stop. You want to laugh at me, don't you? Everyone knows that you, the crows, sometimes are loud-mouthed.
How can I be loud-mouthed? Children, do you think I say bad things?
See? Now stop saying this kind of stuff. Just look at how big and beautiful the snowflakes are.
They're big, but not further than before. Even the air is warmer. Can you feel it?
No.
Oh, I rather too much with you. Goodbye. Just so you know, if I were you, I wouldn't stay much longer here. The sun might hurt you really badly. I don't want to seem mean by telling you this.
Weird fellow, but what can you do? This is just the way that she is. I prefer owls. They are much more colorful, and besides that, they know when to shut up.
Hello, snowman.
Hi.
You are so beautiful. I don't want to bother, but have you seen any other swallows around here?
No, I haven't.
Oh, it's my fault. I believe everything they say. I was told that the sun has already risen from the clouds.
Well, honestly, I have never seen swallows before. I was only born this winter, and I don't know the sun either.
What can I tell you, my friend? You better not meet him.
How so?
Nobody really explained to you how things really work.
No, all I have done since I was born was play with children during the day and watch the stars during the night.
And nobody really explained to you that in a little while all the snow will melt?
No, snow is forever.
Oh dear, what am I going to do with you? But in my opinion, I think you should start run.
What do you mean?
You should go as far as possible. Run! Oh, finally. I couldn't breathe.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Leobuds. Welcome. It's still cold outside.
Who is he? She? He? And you? Who are you?
Well, in this case, since I no longer belong here, I don't even know who I am anymore.
Yes, you are the snowman who has to leave. Do you see these little bats? In a day or two, hundreds, thousands and thousands of them will blossom on the branches. What can I tell you? How about you go towards the North Pole?
I heard winter is forever there. You should go and look for the sun and talk to him.
Okay, I'm leaving right now. But where does the sun live?
Go towards the sunrise and you will meet him.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye, little ones.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Oh, and I have a gift for you. I will leave you my broom. It is made of salted straws that will be happy to become a swallow's nest.
You are such a warm-hearted snowman. Thank you.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Hello, Snowman. Where are you going? On a trip?
Oh, what luck to have met you. Can you tell me if I'm the right way towards Sunrise Lane?
I'm not very sure of anything, since I run around in circles all the time. I have no sense of direction. But why do you want to go there?
So I can talk to the sun and ask him not to let me melt.
Oh, I'm sure that he will be understanding. The sun has a big heart. I am also waiting for him because I'm starving. When the sun shines, vegetables will grow again and I will have food again.
Here you go, nice bunny. Until the sun comes back, I will give you my nose.
Thank you. I will never forget your kind gesture. You have been a real Santa Claus for me. Good. Bye.
Pay attention, you almost tripped on me.
Oh, I'm sorry, Miss Marmot.
Don't call me Miss. I'm a Mrs. I'm a mother. Look at my baby marmots, how they cry of hunger. You scared them. They thought you were a rocking scarecrow.
Well, it is true that I don't look very well right now, and these raindrops that are falling from the sky make me cry of pain. How is it possible that such big drops fall from the sky?
Actually, it's not such a big thing. Since it gets warmer every day, snowflakes turn into raindrops. You poor snowman. Here, have my umbrella. Somebody left it here after a picnic last fall. The weather was great. The entire clearing had become
A carpet of leaves, red and yellow.
Thank you, Mrs. Marmot. You are a true friend, and I can give you my buttons.
tree nuts.
They're so big. Ooh, a real feast.
Thank you. You saved us. I really don't like this kind of weather. Winter is not over, spring is not here. It's not easy for me.
Then enjoy your snack and goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
The sunrise land is that way. Let the warm breeze lead you.
It will be your GPS.
Bye.
Stop! Who's there?
I don't even know who I am anymore. Tell me, little cute and kind wolf. Is this the right way towards Sunrise Land?
Why do you think I'm kind? I'm big, bad, and ugly. Plus, I'm terribly hungry, and I'm going to eat you now.
Oh, I see that hunger made you very dark, Mrs. Wolf. Listen to me. Even if you eat me, you will not get full. Only if you are very thirsty. I can melt and turn into water.
No, I'm not thirsty. I've had enough. Actually, that is why I have a cold.
Do you know something, Mrs. Wolf? I will give you my scarf and my hat. So you get better.
Goodbye. You are without doubt the bravest snowman I've ever seen.
Bye.
Sam. Let's see what the show is all about. Did somebody call me?
Yes, I did.
Okay, I'm listening. Tell me what you have to say. I'm in a hurry. I'm very busy. I have to run the skies, the earth, the rivers, and the heart. So, what is this all about? Why did you come all this way?
I'm so glad to meet you. Well, you know, I have a swallow friend who just came back from the southern countries, and since spring is late, I'm worried she might get a cold.
Don't worry, I'll take care of your friend. Is this all you wanted to ask for?
Well, you know, another friend of mine, a marmot, she has 2 beautiful baby marmots, but I'm worried that they have nothing to eat.
I promise you they will not starve this spring.
Oh, and the wolf, can you do something for her as well? I promise you she's not a bad wolf, she just has a sore throat.
I promise you that it will be healthy. What else?
Oh, I forgot the most important thing.
Yes?
Another friend of mine, a rabbit, he is starving. And the crow, could you treat her well? She's a real philosopher.
I promise you the rabbit won't starve by the crow teach philosophy at the Forest University. You can get one more wish.
Well, I think this is all I wanted to ask for. I'm so glad that I got to talk to you. Thank you for listening to me. May I give you a gift? I still have a pipe and I think you can lick it.
Thank you, the snowman. I'm happy to receive your gift. And now, sleep tight. I will turn you into a dream. You'll be a dream full of life and full of children's love for life. And in 9 months, when winter comes back, you'll become a snowman again, the children's best winter friend. Odd character, isn't it, children? I've never met such a fragile being, but with such a huge heart.
Mulțumim frumos! Sperăm că v-a plăcut încercarea noastră de astăzi, că v-ați simțit bine. Eu am să o invit acum pe Ioana alături de noi pe scenă. S-au descurcat? Au făcut și teatru și au vorbit și de English. La vârsta lor e fantastic.
Și încă ce frumos au vorbit în engleză. Vreau să vă felicit din tot sufletul. Mi-ați încântat. Mă emoționez și eu acum ca și mămicile lor, că știu că pe aici sunt multe mămici emoționate. Felicitări copii, mulțumim pentru spectacolul acesta atât de frumos, mi-a mers la inimă. Mulțumim foarte mult, Angie, pentru că îi îndrum, pentru că îi ajut să-și dea drumul și să devină mici actori. Cine știe, poate că vom merge când vor fi mari la super spectacole de ale lor.
Doamne ajută!
Exact. Și nu putem decât să vă felicităm și să vă aplaudăm, nu? Și să vă invităm și pe ceilalți la atelierul de teatru, pentru că uite ce lucruri frumoase pot să iasă și haideți să vă oferim flori, nu pentru că așa e, așa le stările actorilor, sunt până să flori. Pentru că a absolvit încă un curs de teatru, un atelier de teatru, Gabriela Natalia.
Puteți să faceți fotografii și pentru că le-ați făcut. Așa, mulțumim. Eu vreau să vă mulțumesc tuturor și realmente să-i lăudați pentru că a sta pe scenă în fața unui public și aduce ceva la capăt este extraordinar.
Și în limba engleză.
Yes, și in English. Deci merită toate înghețatele mâine.